Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have a really teeny tiny small Dollar Tree haul, but I wanted to show these things to you guys before my kids get their hands on them, because once I show these to them they will be demolished. Okay, so I did my walkthrough video yesterday. If you missed it, I will link that video above or at the end of this video in case you want to watch it. So I did pick up the marble plates that I showed in that video. I actually picked up 4. So I did get the 4, and when I posted these on Instagram, a lot of you was asking me, was it glass? Was it glass? No, these are actually like plastic. But they are really pretty. And the crazy thing about these is if you Google marble plates, like all of the other stores that are carrying these, they are really not, I don't want to say expensive, but they are way more than $1. So if you get these at your store, you definitely want to pick these up. I passed on the bowls. They did have the bowls. The reason why I passed on them is because the outside part was white and then the inside had the marble, but I don't know, I just didn't really like them too much, so I just got the plates, and these are really nice. So I ended up getting those 4 from my walkthrough yesterday. And then today I stopped back there because I was looking for something for a friend. And I picked up a couple things today that I didn't show yesterday. And all I picked up was these enchanted artificial nails. And I got these. I think these are really pretty. I love the purple and black. I should have picked up 2 packs because, you know, sometimes they don't fit like they're supposed to. But I really like that marble purple and black, and those are called Cursed. And then I got the ones that are called Screaming, and they're just black with the 2 accent nails right here with the polka dot and the plain gold. I really like those, which is why I should have got another pack, because I would have wanted another gold accent nail on the other hand. But anyways, I did pick up those 2. I saw some new stickers, the Halloween stickers. Now these I picked up. I do have a set of these from last year. I remember these being there, but I really like these, and so I plan on using those, and I picked up those. And then the ones I didn't see last year were these, and they're that are these? No, these are just regular. Yeah, I thought it was like that I don't want to say epoxy, I forgot what it's called, but this is not what they are. But these are super cute. I really like those. And the ones that really caught my attention, I picked up 2 packs of them, were these. Aren't these adorable, with the cute little banner and the skulls, the sugar skulls with the sombreros? And look at her with her little, with the girls with their ponytails. And these ones have flowers on their head. Those didn't. And I just thought those were super cute, so I did pick up 2 packs of those. And then the last packs I picked up, I did pick up identical, so 2 packs. And these are kind of like thick, kind of like cardboard type. They're a little bit thicker than the other ones. And these are super cute. I love the little trick-or-treat bags. And this one, and some of them have glitter on them. And I thought those were super cute. So I picked up both packs of those. And then the last things that I picked up that my kids will demolish once I show them that I have these adorable cake pops, and they say decorated cookie pop. These are so cute. I love the colors on this one, and it's a diamond, and it's just a regular cake pop, and I thought that was cute. So I ended up picking up 2 of the diamond cookies like that. And then I got this one, adorable. If somebody was throwing a unicorn theme birthday party or whatever, these would go cute in gift baskets or place settings or whatever. These are so cute. And it's just a regular unicorn. And then the last thing I picked up was this one. Look at her with her little lips. I'm not sure what she's holding. I wanted to say that was a bubble wand, and she has her lips like she's getting ready to blow. I don't know what's going on with all that. But it's cute. And so yeah, she got her little tank top on and her little tail or whatever. But I thought these were super cute and definitely worthy of $1. So, like I said, you guys, this was a quick, small, teeny tiny haul. This was all I picked up from after me doing my walkthrough yesterday. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Did I take any pictures? I didn't take any pictures today, but I will link my other video at the end of this one, so stay tuned for that. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Love for you to stick around. And for everybody else, thank you again, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.